So as you see, there is a hole, pipe comes through, just regular old pipe, or compressor hose, air compressor hose, I believe it's 3/8 inch. Comes in, comes down, goes right here. There's a T-fitting that I put in before the regulator, which I just put a quick connect along with a on and off switch, so that way air doesn't come out when you discouple. Sitting at, about 125, I believe. Little, Harbor Freight pump. So, I could still do a regulator on my regular hose here in the back, and they share a tank with the tank I have in the front. So, originally I was going to use PVC, but I'm scared cat. So I actually put the, I don't know if you saw, there's a blue hose actually right before it becomes the wall. It actually squeezed into the PVC hose. So that way it'll protect it from the elements. So it doesn't matter if the PVC hose gets brittle, it'll actually protect the rubber hose that's in it. We'll see how long the stuff is. So yeah, I routed it all the way to the front of my house. Drilled a hole, and it goes right in. And then on this side, I have the hose down there. It goes up, goes right there. So, pardon my mess. Been construction lately. And I quick connect fitting here, on and off here, so I can actually turn it off and unplug it from the tank. And then there's our, so that way I can unplug it and not have to worry. Since this side's sealed, it won't leak out. And if I turn this off when I unplug it, it should just be pretty good. And I can still keep air in here, and that way I don't necessarily have to. So, anyways, right now I'm testing for leaks, which is sitting right at the 120. I think it has gone down. So I have to test for leaks later, where the leaks come from. But yeah, and then I built a regulator here, so I can change regulator to whatever I need. But yeah, works great.